Hello everyone, welcome to our Jom Masak again. 大家好，又来到我们每个星期五下午4点半，大家一起来煮的时光。Today we are going to show you how to cook simple meal or very yummy, easy, fast, very user-friendly method of using our Saladmaster personal set to show you a few dishes, okay, using our personal set. 今天呢，我要跟大家分享的这几道菜呢，是用我们的 personal set 来煮的。personal set 就是给3到5个人的配套，我们的配套，因为我们 Saladmaster 有很多不同的 set， 不同的配套。那这个呢是我们的小套的锅子，叫 personal set. So this is our small set which can cook for 3 to 5 people. Okay, so in front of you can see that this is our personal set, which consists of the 1-quart saucepan, the 9-inch skillet, the 3-quart saucepan, and also the 3-quart perforated basket, and the 5-quart wok. 那这个 personal 配套呢是1号的锅子，然后9寸的平底锅，然后3号的锅子跟3号的这个蒸笼蒸锅，跟我们5号的炒菜锅。Okay, so what we are going to cook today is we are going to use our 1-quart to do the chicken sauce, ginger paste sauce for our chicken. Okay, which we are going to use this 9-inch. I have 2 9-inch here is because I give you 2 options. One is we are going to grill or oilless fried chicken using the 9-inch skillet. I'm also using another 9-inch skillet here to steam the chicken with no water. Okay, so 我今天呢，我要用这个1号锅子呢，我要做那个蒜泥酱，拿来配那个鸡肉吃的。那鸡肉呢，我将会用这个9寸的锅子呢，平底锅呢，来用无水的方式来蒸它。那另外一个option， 另外一个煮法呢，如果你不喜欢蒸鸡的话呢，你可以去煎它，或者是用无油的方式来煎香脆的鸡肉。So you can use either if you don't like the steam version, you can grill it or fry it with no oil. Okay, so I give you 2 options here. 那我们有2个不同的食谱在这里。那这个3号的锅子呢，跟这个3号的蒸笼呢，我要给大家看怎样很健康的去蒸我们的米饭，白米饭。So using the 3-quart saucepan and the 3-quart perforated basket, I'm going to use it to steam our rice. Okay, now this method is very good because we are going to de-starch the rice. Means that for any customers who might have a bit of sugar level issue, your sugar level is too high, or if you are diabetic, you can consider this method. Okay? 那这个今天我要用这个3号跟这个3号的蒸笼呢，我要蒸白米饭。因为我要跟大家分享，可能有些顾客你们可能是有那个血糖高的问题，或者是你是糖尿病患的话呢，你可以用这个方法来蒸白米饭。那它会把那个淀粉呢把它抽出来，非常容易。Okay, and have a look at our perforated basket. 你来看我们的蒸笼。那你看这里面的那个蒸笼在里面洞，那很多的顾客以前有问我说可以咩？我们的可以蒸咩？你的那个蒸笼有那么多洞，等一下米饭不是会掉下来吗？不会的，我现在就要示范给大家看了。So some of the customer asking and say, steam, are you sure the holes are quite big and then the rice will all drop out? Let me show you. Okay, so then I'm going to use the 5-quart wok to stir fry this we call the loofa or the sponge gourd to stir fry. Because some of my customers say, oh, we want to see how you use Saladmaster to 改炒, fry the veggies. Okay, so I'm going to use our 5-pot wok to fry this sponge gourd or loofa. 那等一下呢，我用这个5号的炒菜锅呢，我要去那个煎不是煎 sorry 炒这个onion或者是新挂，好像广东人是说新挂是吗？用这个拿来炒它，大火去炒它。OK， 那在蒸白米饭快要蒸好的时候呢，我会把我们的这个 ladies finger 或者是 okra 呢，把它放在米饭上面那你就可以一次做2道菜，非常方便。So just as the rice is about to be done. About to finish cooking, then I will put the lady fingers or the okra on top of the rice. Okay, so then you can have 2 dishes as well. So it's very, very simple and very easy. Okay, and so let's get started. So let me put the rice in. Okay, so when I put the rice in, don't worry, I will lift it up and show you all the details. Okay, so I washed the rice already. You just wash the rice as usual. Okay, 那你就把你的米饭呢，把它洗干净，洗3、4轮之后呢，然后呢，你就把那个米饭放在这里蒸笼上面。Okay, so let me show you. Okay, can you see? Not much rice dropped down. And can you see here? See, it's all very good. Okay, so then what we will do is, I'm going to put the water into the 3-quart perforated 3-quart saucepan here. Okay, 我就把那个水呢加进来。So I add the water in. Okay, let me check. So the tip of using this is you must make sure that the water will touch the base of the perforated basket, and then after that it will steam well. See, it's still not yet there, so I put a bit more. Okay, can you see that it's touching? Can you see a bit of water there? So this is good. 所以它的那个贴士呢，如果你要蒸这个饭的话呢，要把它那个淀粉全部抽出来呢，你一定要把你的水加到刚刚好，触摸到那个白米饭的底部 ，OK。那我们就把它放在这里 ，we put it here, and then I will put it to 7, which is medium high. 我们把它放到7号，中大火 ，OK. Once the valve is clicking, then we will turn it down to 3, and then we will steam the rice for about 25 minutes like that. 那当它那个蒸汽法在跳的时候呢，我们会把那个7号呢降到3号，然后给它蒸差不多半个小时。那等一下，白米饭就会好了。Okay, now we are going to grill the chicken. 我们现在就要去用无油的方式来煎这个鸡肉。Okay, so 你看我里面是没有油的 ，inside there's no oil at all. So let me do the water bead test. Oh, beautiful! Can you see that the beads, the water bead is rolling around? Means it's hot enough. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to put the chicken chop in, which is this one here. So in order to get really crispy chicken, make sure that your chicken, you wash it and then you put it in the fridge and air dry it for a few hours. When it's nice and dry, then it's good, okay? So 一定要确保呢，你的皮呢一定要是干的。然后我把它放进来，给它按一下。So put it in, let it really stick to the base of the skillet, okay? Then we adjust the lid. Okay, 我们把这个盖子呢半遮开，那它等一下水分会高一点，那它的那个皮会很脆。So we leave that for a while. 下来的呢，我们就要蒸我们的鸡肉，这个是另外一个方式。如果你要蒸鸡肉的话 ，OK，so we will cut a few slices of ginger。我们把那个姜呢，把它拿来切片。So I'll use this one, the slicer，OK。我们用这个切片的那个配件呢，是4号的配件 ，con number 4，and we are going to cut a few slices. And so easy to use. Look at that， 是不是很容易？你看就已经切好了几片的姜片。So we put it here into the skillet， 我们把它放在锅子里面 ，OK， that's enough。OK， 然后我们就把鸡肉呢，把它平放上来。Okay，we put the chicken meat on top. Wow, nice. So this is good. So if you have family of 3 to 5, you can use this method now. I don't add any water, 没有加水。Okay. So I did marinate the chicken with a bit of sesame oil and some salt. That's all. 那我这边呢，我是有抹一点的盐跟那个麻油来提味调香味。哦 ，let's put the these are pandan leaf. Okay, these are all organic one from my owner. So, and then we put it there. Nice. So 那我现在就要把我们的鸡肉拿来蒸，那是不需要加水的哦。No need to add water. So I put 6. 我用6号来蒸它。Okay. So, then the next thing that we will do is we stir fry this is called the loofa. We stir fry the 青瓜. Then that is it. That's our last dish already. 非常的快吧？那我们就用我们的5号锅子呢，我们来炒这个瓜。Okay. So let me put to 7. 我把它放到7号。7号拿来炒菜 ，OK？ 那这全程呢，你看这个你就不理它，给它慢慢去煎它。然后这个我是用6号，是我们的中火来的。So for the frying one, if you are not frying it in your EOC, just normal. As I said, today we are using the personalset. You just use medium fire will do, okay? And then to fry. Now come closer, as you can see. Wow, a lot of oil, a lot of oil. Can you see that? Wow, just for one piece, can you see? A lot of oil come out already. So you can use the handle here for easy handle if you want to. Okay. So now let me just get a fork to show you. Okay, can you see? Wow, it didn't stick. How's the color? Is it good? So I can turn already. Okay, let me check. Wow, it's very nice, and you can imagine the skin will be so crispy. Okay, once we flip the chicken, we can turn it to 4. Okay, for it to continue frying. And then let me put a paper towel on the side. Okay, paper towel. Okay, to capture the oil. Okay, so I can use this to put it on the 5-pot wok, and then I'm going to stir fry. Okay, the gourd. Oh, my oil is finished. Okay, let me use here. I have oil here because I'm using this oil for the ginger paste later. 那我们放差不多1汤匙多一点点的油，能行吗 ？OK。 那给它热锅，然后我们就开始炒这个瓜。哎，中文叫什么？不是丝瓜，什么瓜？五角，哎，不是什么角？丝瓜，是丝瓜哦，是丝瓜，对对对 ，loofa， 丝瓜。Okay, let's see how's the chicken doing. Is it heating up? Oh yes, I need to seal the lid for the steamed chicken. So if you want your cooking to be express faster, you can put a bit of water on the side there to seal the lid so that it will become like semi-vacuum condition, so it will fry fast. Oh, and also, so I'm going to put a bit of onion in, a bit of garlic in, and then the ikan bilis, which I washed before. Oh, another dish I forgot to mention we are doing is the to put on the steamed tofu, not really steamed tofu, but it's the silken tofu, and then we do a bit of sauce to put on top. Okay, so we let it fry. Okay, how's the chicken doing? Wow, look at the fat that is from the chicken. More fat coming out. 很多很多的油，你看是不是完全不需要用油呢 ？Really, we truly not need to use a lot of any oil at all. Okay, so now I fry. Okay, I can see that my ikan bilis is crisp up. 我可以看到我的那个江鱼仔呢，已经是很酥脆了。Okay, then I'm going to put the gourd in. 我把这个瓜呢放进来。Okay, now I also don't need to add water for this dish because this sponge gourd or the loofa will use a lot of water. 那这个呢，我煮的时候我也是不需要加水的，因为它自己也是会出水，哦，不需要加水。那我现在只要放一点点的调味料。So I just put a bit of relish, my seasoning in. Okay. That's it. And then I close the lid. Make sure that my season is cooked well. So we just leave it like this for a while and wait for the vapor valve to click. 我们就等这个那个蒸汽阀呢会跳动。OK， 那来看一下这个蒸的哦，你没有看到哇？那个开始蒸了，然后那个芝麻油的香味非常的非常香。OK， good。And then oh the rice is getting heat up also。好，开始热了。Okay, any question? Do we have any question? Hi Silken. Hi everyone. 大家好。Okay, so normally because the personalset we have the 1 quart, which later I will do the oil, the ginger paste, which is very quick. Okay, so for the personalset is a 1 quart, the 9-inch skillet, the 3-quart saucepan, and the 3-quart perforated basket, and it comes with the 5-quart wok. Okay, so that's our personalset. Now today I use 2 9-inches because I give you 2 options. One is the steam version, one is the fry version. 那我们的personal 配套呢是1号锅，然后9号的平底锅，然后3号锅3号的蒸笼，跟我们5号的炒菜锅。那今天我这里有2个9寸的那个平底锅，是因为我给你2个煮法，一个是蒸的，一个是去煎它的。那我们在等的当中呢，我们就要用我们的 Saladmaster machine 呢来切一点的萝卜跟那个姜，好姜 ，OK。So let me quickly rinse this one because I need to cut ginger now. 我再把这个来洗一下。 slicer to slice carrot。我要把这个那个切片的这个配件呢，我要切红萝卜。哇，你看是不是很容易 ？Isn't it very easy and quick? And see how thin it is. You see that? Very, very thinly sliced carrot. Okay, so we will have a bit more. Okay, and then I will also use, let me put this carrot in where? Let me put it in here. Okay, I use it for my tofu later. Okay, oh nice. Okay, so every time you can open the lid and check. 其实你都可以开盖去查它的，哦。那你不用怕担心说那个温度会下降跑掉，不会的。Okay, so we wait for it to click consistently, then we will turn it down to low. Okay, so I use cone number 1. 我用1号的配件呢 I want to grate some ginger because we are going to make a ginger paste. Okay, so let me grate some ginger. Okay, that's just now the slices that I want to slice it. I mean grate it to smaller. Okay, so look how quick is that? Now the whole thing, wow, it's all here. 是不是很容易呢？你看我的那个姜呢就已经切好了，非常的快 ，so quick, so quick. Okay, today because I'm using the all ginger, so there's a bit of fiber there, but it's okay. Okay, so now let me show you. That's the skin. Okay, now this much ginger. Have a look. About 1 handful. Okay, my handful of ginger. I'm going to see Saladmaster machine also will retain the moisture as well. Okay, look at the juice that I'm going to squeeze out. Wow, can you see that? 看到吗？哇，它把它，你看 ，and then we have this much. Later I will use it to put it in the chicken. Will be really nice. 所以我们的切割器呢，真的是非常的厉害，因为它非常锋利，然后它又切得快，所以呢，你看那个姜的那个汁都保留住。Okay, so it's clicking. These 2, 3 are all clicking. Very good timing. How cool is that? So I turn it down to 4. Now you see this one already magic, already closed, and here also closed, and here also closed. Okay, so except the chicken is still frying away, and let me check if the chicken. Normally it takes about 10 minutes on one side. Oh, still a little bit firm here. I can still see. So we continue. Just leave it. Don't worry about it. Let it continue to fry. So let me now look. It's really sealed. Okay, it's really sealed. Okay, so let me open this one and show you the sponge board. 让我，你看它真的是封密封的非常的紧。那因为这个原因呢，它里面呢就变成半真空状态，它就好像是你的 pressure cooker， 但是它是用小火小的那个气压去煮我们的食物。那我现在呢，我要开这个给你们看，你看啊、那个瓜，你看它自己出水了 ，Can you see? It has used its own moisture. Let me show you. Wow, can you see? But we will let it cook for a further few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. Then I will go over the gravy. So let me seal the lid again. 它快要好了，再给它1-2分钟，然后我们这个瓜呢就好了。OK， 那现在呢，我要查这个我们的蒸鸡。We want to check how's our steamed chicken. Okay, ready? Oh, wow! Can you see? Oh, look at the color of my chicken. Okay, the steamed chicken, very beautiful, very nice. Can't wait to eat it. Let's have a look at our rice. 让我们来查一查我们的白米饭怎么样了。Okay, So, wow, can you see? It's still cooking, it's nearly there because it takes about half hour to really draw the starch out. Let me have a quick peek. Wow, have a look at the color of the water. Can you see from the video? Check from the camera. Wow, look at how starchy this is even this is our basmati rice. In fact, okay, we still managed to draw a bit of starch out. 你能看到你刚才那个浓稠那个白粥的，稠稠的那个水，真的是那个淀粉从我们的印度米把它draw out， 我先 draw out， 把它隔出来的，把它拿出来的，所以是真的是非常非常健康的煮法。那如果你有担心，好像我们这些比较上了一点点年龄的，你怕你的那个血糖过高的话呢，这就是我们的方法了。If you are worried that your sugar level might be too high, or you are a diabetic person, this is the way to cook your rice. See, even with the basmati rice, wow, this is really amazing. Okay, so that's and you can hear that our chicken is making less sizzling sound. Means that the chicken is almost ready. So that's another tip if you want to check if your fried chicken is done. Is you hear that the cracking sound is less, that means the chicken is nearly done. Okay, so can you see there's still a bit of pinkish water coming out? So let's give it, because this chicken piece is quite thick. 蛮厚的。那你有没有看到刚才那个有血水出来？就是说它还不够熟透，所以呢，我们再给它煎个几分钟吧就可以了。OK， this one is good。哇，你看它也自己出水了哈。It also use its own juice. Let me show you. You see? Wow, and that is the essence of the chicken, and it's a good stuff there. OK， 它真的是那个鸡肉的精华，非常好。Okay, so I also seal the lid for it to continue cooking. Alright, and then the last thing that I will do is I will heat up the oil, and then I will put the rest of put the what you call this, the ginger that we grate from the Saladmaster machine just now, and then also the spring onion, then it will be our yummy, tasty ginger paste oil for the chicken, for the steamed chicken. 那最后一个就是我们用这个油呢给它热一下，然后我们把我们的姜呢放进来，然后那个青葱也放进来就好了。刚才我有讲说我们最后一道菜是豆腐，那个豆腐呢是那个日本豆腐，所以呢它是非常硬的，然后它是可以即兴就可以吃的。So this tofu, the silken tofu, you can steam it first or you can just eat it like that, and then put a bit of topping on top. Okay, put a bit of topping on top, which I will fry with some garlic, onion, and what you call that, the carrot and capsicum, to give some colorful, vibrant color topping, and then to pour on top of the tofu. So how easy is that? By using just our personal set, and you can cook so many dishes. 是不是很容易呢？非常非常的简单。还没有半个小时，哇，半个小时，你看，因为今天中午我还说话呢，所以其实煮的时间可能只有暂时才20分钟而已。所以我们的菜呀，哇，好了 ，OK, I'm going to turn this off. Okay, come and have a look. And the veggies, our gourd is done. Okay, so I'm going to take this off the stove now. 你看我在讲话，然后呢，我的菜好了，我的别的菜也快要好了，所以让我把全部东西摆在一旁先。Let me put this away. Okay, veggies done. Let me do our saladmaster trick. Okay, let me use the long handle. Okay, so when you finish cooking, you don't need to dish it out and put it in another bowl. Because then you have to wash an extra bowl. You just put your lid like this. It's like your hotel bakery style. How gaya is that? how good is that? 哎，你看，你如果请客的话呢，请人家到你家来吃饭的话呢，你不用担心的，你就是把你的那个盖子呢放在我们的那个 handle 的旁边，你看，就好像那个hotel 的那个什么自助餐的那个他们的摆设一样 ，OK？ 哇 ，Let me check how's the chicken. Oh, not bad, not bad. Wow, look at that. I think it's ready. So what you do is, you can start serving. You can serve as it is, or if you want to, you can put it in the bowl of cold water. To really give it a shock, and then the meat will be nice and tender, just like your bacam gai from the restaurant. 那你也可以这样就直接就就可以给你的家人一起分享吃了，或者是你可以把它浸泡在那个冰水里面2-3分钟然后它的效果、口感、它的嫩滑度，就像我们的白斩鸡、白切鸡一样Okay, so this is done. Yeah, this is done. So I'm going to turn it off now. Okay, let me get another hanger. My hanger here. Today we want to show you how gaya we can present. Wow, let me put some spring onion on top. Wow, cool. And my fried chicken also is done. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Wow. So good. And then look, how much oil is it from there? I might want to fry a little bit on here so that, you know, it will be nice. Wow, look at the color. Ooh. But we need, because the chicken, I need to like really put a bit of pressure on it so that it can fry on that. Okay. I do it like that. No, it still come out. How can we keep it down? Okay, like that. Okay, let's have a look. Wow! Come. Can you see my rice is starting to stand up? 你就看到我的饭要站起来咯。Okay, now the rice is nearly done. Let me. Yeah, it's about 20 to 25 minutes already. It's cooked. It's very good. So I'm going to put our okra, our lady's fingers, onto the rice to steam the veggie. Okay, 我们就把我们这个秋葵把它放进来。哇，你看，你又煮饭，你又煮菜，然后另外一个锅是你的蒸鸡，或者是煎鸡，或者是炸鸡都可以。那你的一道你的美的好吃的晚餐就好咯，是不是很容易 ？See, it's done already. So I'm just let it steam for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we are all done. 好 ，that one is it still set? Yay, it is. Oh, okay. I want to make sure that part is also nice and can touch. Okay. Good. Alright, now I'm going to do the oil paste. Okay, so let me put this one to the front. Okay, let me put this here. Okay, that's all. And then I'm going to heat up my oil. 我把我的油给它热一下。Okay, let me put 6 or 7 just to heat up the oil. Okay, it will be very quick. Alright. And then that's about it. Any question? 有没有问题要问的Okay. My double pot is the wire mesh basket. Oh yes, because of your you bought it 6 or 7 years ago, correct? So so I can steam my rice the same way too. Yes, Silly, you can steam your rice just like how we do with the perforated basket. Okay, it works just the same. So don't worry, it works just the same. Okay, so I'm going to take the fried chicken out. Okay, it did fry a little bit. Like that. Like that. Okay. I want it to be more brown. So okay. So after that, I just need to fry a little bit of. Wow, it's getting there. You can see from the color that it's steaming away. Okay, yeah. So continue to do that. Let me take the chicken out. Wow, really crispy, man. Really crispy. Wow, look at the oil. So much oil. So let me turn that off. Okay. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this is our crispy skin chicken. Okay, let me put it there. Now, my oil is heating up. Okay, wow. Heating up. And then we put the ginger in later. And also the spring onion in later. Get ready. Okay. And then turn it up higher. Fasten the speed. Okay, so let me take the chicken out now because we want to plate it nicely for the steamed chicken. 我们把那个蒸的鸡肉把它拿出来摆上。I need your help to help me to cut the chicken, David. Okay, let me bring it here. Wow, beautiful. Wow, look at that. Juicy chicken. 看过去好好吃哦，好嫩哦。你看到哇，嘣一嘣一嘣。你看这一块，哇。然后鸡腿放这里，鸡腿哦，这个是我们的干崩鸡哦。Today I use our free range chicken. Okay, the chicken that I use is free range chicken from Bentong. We love the Bentong chicken. Okay, so this piece, should I put it here like that? Okay, so then the next thing is I'm going to pour it down. Yeah, pour it down. Wow. Okay, then don't waste this because I'm going to use it to fry the topping for the tofu. Okay. I think it's hot enough. Let me throw a bit of ginger in and see. Oh, okay, let me turn it off now. Turn it down first. Okay, I'm going to put the ginger in. 把那个姜泥放进来 ，okay, and then turn it off. That's enough to get rid of the gingery taste or the spicy taste. Then I put lots of green onion in. Okay, so the fire is off already. 我把它关掉了，那个火关掉了。Okay, then I'm going to put some salt in to flavor our ginger paste. 我们要把那个盐放进来，来调味。哦。 A little bit more. Okay. Wow! And can you imagine the taste? 你可以想象吗？淋在那个鸡肉的上面。Okay, so let me put a bit of sauce on top. Let me tempt you, ladies and gentlemen. Wow! Wow! Look at that! 你看。有没有流口水呀 ？I hope you are getting tempted by how easy to cook this ginger paste, oilless steamed chicken. Okay, so let me put this away. Then let me fry quickly before we go. Let me fry the tofu dish for you. Okay, let me get a little bit of oil, just 1 tablespoon of oil in here. Just chicken oil. Yeah, and inside also got some chicken oil as well, so we don't want to sayang the chicken essence, yeah. Okay, then I'm going to fry the garlic. And then the onion. I hope you like today what we are presenting to you. If you like, please give us a lot of love. OK， 如果你今天喜欢我们的呈现的方式呢，快点给我们爱心 ，Give us your love， 不要吝啬你的爱心。OK， 你看是不是容易呢？就这样炒它。So Saladmaster cookware can also be used on the induction cooktop or on the gas. A lot of love coming. 谢谢大家。Yeah, thank you everyone. Okay, show everyone our fried chicken and our steamed chicken. Wow, look at the color. Wow, I love today's color. So vibrant, and then so nice. So if you have the small set, this is how you do it. Oh, this one not yet good. Okay, now let's lastly see so let it saute a little bit longer. Look at that. My okra is done. 有没有看到我的秋葵已经是蒸好了 ？OK， 怎么知道是蒸好呢？让我看一下。哇，是好了，哇，可以了。OK， 那我就把它放在一个盘子上面。We need those nice Japanese rectangle serving plate. I need to get one. Okay, so we fry. Let me get a bit of water. Okay, and then a bit of corn flour to start our sauce for the tofu. Okay, and then put a bit of garlic in. 放我的调味料。Wow, smells beautiful. Okay, so we make the sauce for the okra. 把它放在那个。Oh no, this one is for the tofu. Okay, where's my meat? Okay, so let me take the okra out. I'll 给大家看一下。哇 ！And then I was very blessed. Yesterday, one of my owners blessed us with some sambal belacan, dry one. So I'm going to put it on top of our okra today. 是不是很容易呢？大家是不是很容易 ？If this method seems easy to you, please give us like. Okay, wow, today I'm asking for a lot of very demanding. Okay, the rice is done, so I'm going to turn it off. And then what was this? Oh, that was just the oil. And then this one is done, so I can turn it off. That's for the tofu later. Okay, let me show you. Okay, and then I'm going to put my dry sambal belacan. Okay. Wow, so appetizing. Wow, yum 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 yum. 哇，你看我们的健康晚餐好了，喜欢吗 ？Do you like it? Okay, now I'm going to take a tofu. Open the tofu. Okay, now this one I need to. Okay, any question? 有问题吗？ Put the tofu down. So this is the ready to eat tofu. 这个是，哎呦，小心。Ready to eat tofu right here. And then I'm going to pour the sauce on the tofu. Yeah, it's slippery. Okay, enough for now. Put a bit of green spring onion. Yay! That's our healthy tofu dish. Now don't let it slide away. 好了，谢谢。And then the rice, huh? Oh, water underneath. Okay. Before we say bye-bye, show you our water again. Wow, look at that. Can you see? Let me put it here. Look at our water. That's the starch from the rice. 你看我们的水是不是很稠？这个是我们的饭米饭。然后 look at the bottom there. 可以看到下面吗？ Do you see any piece of rice? No. 没有看到米吧？没有看到米饭。It's good? Okay, and then let me take the pandan leaf off. Let me put another one on here. Yay! All done. So, healthy dinner cooked with Saladmaster. So I hope that you enjoy our presentation today. I'll see you next week. God bless you. So 谢谢大家今天的参与。那我们下个星期再见喽。上帝祝福你，拜拜。